Breaking news that's coming in now is that a new principal secretary has been appointed by the Delhi government. Rajendra Kumar, we are being told, is the new principal secretary after the former principal secretary services, Anindo Majumdar, had been transferred by the Delhi government. Aditya is with us for more on this. Now, Aditya, we were just discussing this about an hour back, whether or not the sacking or the transferring of Anindo Majumdar actually held, because the lieutenant governor had objected to it and said it was void. But we understand Anindo Majumdar's room was locked, and now we understand a new principal secretary has already been appointed.
Well, absolutely. That's what the confirmation we are getting from our sources in the Delhi government, that there has been an appointment that has been made. Principal Secretary would be Rajendra Kumar, and he would be assuming his office shortly. This after a major controversy in regard to Anindo Majumdar appointing Shakuntala Gamlin as the Chief Secretary, which was firmly opposed by the Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal. And since then, there has been a round of controversies because the Lieutenant Governor's office, Lieutenant Governor Najib Jung, had declared this completely null and void. And even then, Anindo Majumdar, an upright officer who is known in the bureaucratic circles in Delhi as a very honest officer, was removed from his position. Now, interestingly, this morning, what also developed here inside the Delhi Secretariat, there are two offices of Anindo Majumdar on the second floor and the seventh floor of the Delhi Secretariat. Both of these officers were sealed by the Delhi government officials till there is a new person who is appointed and he assumes charge. So even as there is a political blame game that is ensuing after these developments, the big question really is it really the dictatorial style of Arvind Kejriwal that will really function the Delhi government, and will he really not take note of any of the laws or the honest officers and the bureaucracy that is working under him? I've been speaking to sources in the LG's office as well. They say that they will come out with a detailed response, and perhaps by evening there could be some kind of a response on their part on the legalities and the constitutional provisions of this exercise that has been taking place by the Delhi Chief Minister's office. Of course, it was declared void, this appointment and this rejection by Arvind Kejriwal by the LG's office. But at this moment, it seems that the Chief Minister's office and Chief Minister himself is firm on his opinion that Anindo Majumdar cannot continue in his position. And also, in some ways, there is a cold war ensuing between Shakuntala Gamlin, who is, of course, the Chief Secretary at this moment, but she hasn't really come to her office even as we speak right now. So clearly, even as questions are being raised on Arvind Kejriwal, his dictatorial style of functioning, he continues to say that he's abiding by the law. He hasn't done anything that is above law in this entire appointment case inside the Delhi Secretariat. But certainly this is the talk of the town. Even political parties, including the BJP and the Congress, mounting the attack on Arvind Kejriwal.